Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll share the best tips for creating engaging decks with Tome AI on your Windows PC. Quick, practical, and ready to use. Let's dive right into it, guys. First, start with a clear goal. Ask yourself, what's the one message you want viewers to remember? Write that as a single sentence prompt before you paste any content into Tome. Next, keep slides focused. Use one idea per slide, short headlines, and 1 to 3 bullets. This helps Tome generate cleaner layout and keeps your audience engaged. Then, use strong prompts. Tell Tome the tone and audience. For example, create a concise, professional sales deck for investors. Upbeat tone. The more specific your prompt, the better the result. After that, choose the right template. Pick a template that matches your purpose, sales, pitch, or storytelling, so Tome applies suitable scenes structure automatically. Now, make it visual. Replace generic images with relevant photos or icons and use bold headlines. Use contrast, dark text on light backgrounds or vice versa, so slides are easy to read on any screen. Next, add micro copy in speaker notes. One short sentence per slide that cues what you say. This keeps your narration tight and supports the visual. Then, control pacing. Limit text and use progressive disclosure. Build an idea over 2 to 3 slides rather than cramming one slide. Review the deck and time your narration to about 20 to 30 seconds per slide. Also, use consistent styling. Stick to one font family, 2 font sizes, and a single color palette. Tome's design suggestion can speed this up. Apply them and tweak. Finally, polish with a call to action slide and a one-line summary at the end. Export a PDF or PowerPoint and test the deck on a laptop screen to confirm readability. Remember, when pasting content, break paragraphs into short lines. Tome turns them into cleaner bullets and slides. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials.